central air conditioners. All of them are Carrier products except for that one. That's a Lennox. We start over here. Got a Carrier Performance Series, or actually, is that a Performance Series? Yeah, that's a Performance, I think. Yep, Performance Series. It's a good system. There's a Carrier Comfort Series right there. 13's here. That's a base model from 2011. Two good systems right there. Here we have an ICP, which the brands are all faded off. But I know that that's an ICP just by looking at it. And I don't know if I'm going to get yelled at. It's Sunday. I think this is close. Yeah, the data's all faded. That's an ICP. 3 blades. GE fan motor. And there's the compressor. I don't know if you can see it or not. Here's this little tiny Lennox. See, that is, I don't know what year that's from. 1989 it looks like. Payne. It's all rusty, but it's fairly new. That's what those rusty, what those Paynes do. 2011. It's from the 28th week of 2011. So I guess that. Anyways, over and out.